Casey's making muffins.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. Are we eating or are we putting them in the muffins? Maybe a few more on some of these. Do you want me to help or you do yourself? Don't eat the chocolate. Put it inside the muffins, please. Here you go.
One first.
The orange one first?
Right there.
All right.
Okay, guys.
So what you
Team
do?
Connor
There's
and
the
Casey.
piece with the square
Okay,
right
put this
here.
on the bottom.
This
Put it on the
one?
bottom.
Okay, let's do it between you and your brother.
Listen to Auntie May, okay?
Okay.
So she's gonna
You want to put it on here? Okay, you see where the square is?
Yeah.
You're going to go, do you have a scissors?
Mommy,
You're going to go trace the square with orange icing. All right.
Are you not helping?
Okay, well when Auntie,
The one thing, see?
there you go.
Look okay?
Yeah.
There you
Auntie
go.
Mia said that. Wait. Auntie Mia.
Not yet, wait one moment. One moment. You want to see your house from the front? Yeah.
Auntie Mia.
That looks great. Oh, that's the roof. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Hold on. Let's fix this one. Looks like it was leaning just a little.
Just making the house smaller.
Well, that's how the house is today.
What do you think, Case?
Good.
What do you think of your house,
I
boys?
just need the roof. Mommy, now?
Not yet, not yet.
Hard
Because this one is moving.
It's interesting how this works.
Okay. Hold on, David. Patience. Patience, David. Patience, David.
Oh, that's not even that kind. Focus backwards.
I know. It's all
Mommy,
that. I'm
look
like,
what
oh,
I
that's cute.
did. Mommy, look what I did on each corner.
One moment, David. Let me just finish this 14.
Cute.
Okay, what? Oh!
You want to run too? You want to run too?
All right, you
Okay.
Connor.
You want your sweatshirt or you? Here, you want to wear a sweatshirt? Okay, ready?
There she goes.
Oh, yeah.
She did it! We did it! Yay!
Run, run, run.
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Connor,
Time.
you want to see who goes gets it first?
Casey.
Connor gets it.
Time.
Casey, keep on going. Keep on going, Casey. Connor, wait, stop. Doesn't want to lose.
Great. Run, run, run. Run, run.
Come on, Casey! Good job.
Casey, let's go here. Come on, let's take a look at this.
I'm going faster. Faster.
One more round.
Mark to 6, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Just run down there and get a put a little more money in.
Alright, let's go. You guys want to walk? Let's walk up.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Over the bump. Go.
Go.
Go, Casey.
Go.
Go. Good job, Casey.
All right, great.
Gosh.
Okay, we gotta go this way. Underneath the car. We're gonna put it on. Alley-oop. Alley-oop. It's really easy.
Next time. Yep. She's. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go.
You know what? You need to get a French bulldog and you can stick it in there. In case you can push it around.
Casey. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh. The younger sister's pushing the elder brother.
Can I help you?
Here, Case.
You